serving tray from our friends at Temp-tations. You'll notice that that mirrored finish on the inside of the tray is Old World and Floral Lace combined, what Tara calls the classic. But if you slide one tray insert out and slide the other in and turn on the light, the holidays then illuminate. Every tray will have the two inserts. There are lights behind this mirrored tray, and there's a switch and a timer. 6 hours on, 18 hours off. So if you want to display the tray and let it be a part of your holiday decor, great. Want to serve on it? Also great, because it's food safe. Now here are the color choices I have for you. I have this white tray, wooden tray with those beautiful mirrored inserts backed up by the lovely lights. Then I've got it for you here in the black. Here's the black choice. And then I've got it for you in the gray choice here on the end. So all this coming together for you at a great time, at a great price, and 5 easy payments. You'll need 2 AA batteries not included to make these work. Black is most limited. Let's bring our lights down in the studio so you can really see these come to light and to life. So we'll bring our lights down in the studio and you'll be able to see what's happening here. Look at how beautiful. Now let's bring in Tara Tescher, already an official Friendsgiving guest, so we won't need to ring the doorbell for her here. I don't think she left. I think she's been mulling about in the lobby. All right, so Tara, these are beautiful. Jackpot, my darling, jackpot.
Oh. Thank you, my friend. I have been so excited to debut this. They're food safe, which is so fun, but the fact that they light up, you now have a beautiful serving tray that can also double as your centerpiece, that can also double as breakfast in bed, that you could do a charcuterie board right on here. But I love what you said. Because we included the timer, it can now be propped up as your backsplash. It can be fixed right in your dining room. And it illuminates 6 hours on, as you said, 18 hours off if you want to set that timer feature. But this is meant to make you smile and to add some festivity to your holidays.
Well, it does that, whether it's a gift idea or going to dress up your own holidays. We've said this a lot, and I sound like a broken record, but we're going to have smaller groups this year for holiday. Why not turn it out for your family members? Why not turn this out and make it very special? You don't have to have hundreds of people in your home to have a happy holiday. You have to have happy hearts in your home. And those folks that are there, treat them to something extra special. Now, Tara, with this, you're going to get 1 wooden tray and 2 inserts. So the first insert, and we've got 2 here just to show you the 2, you're going to get 1 tray, 2 inserts. So here's the classic design with the Old World flowers and the floral lace flowers. And then your holiday theme with all of our favorites. Wait, it's Gumdrop, Wembley, Penny, and Mr. Bojingles.
Snow Jingles. Yes, Bojingles. I was waiting for you to say Snow Jingles.
It could be Snow Jingles.
There are all our beautiful characters playing, of course, on that adorable little candy house, which I love, our little gingerbread house. Whether these are illuminated, David, or they're just plain, because of that beautiful mirror finish, they add such an elegance and detail to every table. And the fact that you have this gorgeous wood tray, you slide them in and out right there on the side. You have the on and off 2 AA batteries. It couldn't be easier. And I love that we included in every day that beautiful floral mix of our Old World and our floral lace, or swap it out for our holiday. But no matter which one, they both light up, and you get 3 great decor-friendly colors of your black, that gorgeous gray, or, of course, the white. It couldn't be easier.
Now, Tara, black is most popular, followed by the white, and then the gray. I need to let everyone know, sadly, it's our only order of the year. These are already very popular tonight. If we sell out of these tonight, they will not be back before Christmas. Won't your Christmas celebration be complete if on Christmas Eve, when the lights are low and the kids are finally in bed and you bring a tray in of maybe some wine and cheese or champagne and you bring it into the living room for your significant other and you've got the tray and it's lit up and it's the holidays and music is playing? Let's make Christmas joy where we find it this year, right? We're not going to find it in big groups of people. We're going to find it in small groups with lots of heart. And in this case, lots of romance.
Yeah. I was going to say, and with special memories, right? Whether it's something mirrored that you're just putting your plants on, or again, you want to just tuck it in the center of the table, or you want to turn it on and actually bring it to life. For me, I'm always decorating with mirrored Lazy Susans. So this was a combination of taking a mirrored Lazy Susan that illuminates all that beautiful light of whatever you're putting on top of it, and of course, a beautiful tray. And I guarantee you, you have never seen anything like this. A food safe, lit mirror tray that you can swap out for your everyday or, of course, for that beautiful holiday. But this tray can sit right in the center of the table, and you know it's got an on-off switch. You know it has a 6-hour timer, or tuck it maybe even behind you in the kitchen and let it illuminate every night at the same time. Look at this. Are you kidding? So beautiful.
And here we
Is
did
that a burger?
your charcuterie. Here's the charcuterie.
Yes.
Just
Right.
beautiful. But if you're doing what Tara just mentioned, hang on. Look right here. And we prop it right here against the backsplash.
Yes.
Isn't that lovely?
Isn't that beautiful? Mm-hmm.
See, this is what's going to separate your holiday home from everyone else's. This is what's going to make it extra special. What I don't want you to do is wait tonight, because it's our only order of the year. Now, we have the white, we have the black, and we have the gray. The white and the black are both very, very popular. Now, if you want that black, I have only 1,200 remaining. And we have white, we also have the gray. We've got 5 easy payments tonight, and we've got Tara Tesher to thank for it. Tara, these are just absolutely incredible.
Oh, thank you, my friend. Coming from you as like the Christmas aficionado, I appreciate that.
Well,
my friend.
I am a big fan. I just think they're marvelous. Everybody stay on the line here. Remember, there's a timer mode too, so you don't have to worry about turning it off and on. Tara took care of that for you. All right, Miss Tara, thank you for being here tonight. We're going to look forward to having you back tomorrow evening for David's Down Home Christmas.
Leave it. See you then.
See you then, my darling. In the meantime, we're going to check in with Julia. She's got a little something to mention that's coming up.